Welcome back to Messages from Lemuria. Today we've got a second heart coral that I just recently found. And today these two hearts may accompany our reading. Ooh, already first card coming out. Page of Fire. So this is about passion. Someone's really passionate about you. And with the two hearts, this strikes me as a love reading here. Let's see what comes out. The Star already positioning himself. The Moon, Five of Air, and the Devil. Interesting. One more. I'm hearing one more. That's the one? Okay. Oh, Two of Water. Nice. Okay. Nice picture. So you've been in this relation. Things I see and feel are like all at once, all the time, so hard to speak. So you've been in this relationship for quite some time. It's been more than a year, even more than 2 years, 3 years maybe, something like that. And you've really formed like a very deep connection with someone, where you really harmonize and you're intertwined. And this connection is really very passionate. This person is really very passionate about you. And right now is a phase where you two are renewing this connection, and especially that person is trying their best so your renewal can take place. In the past, there have been some really bad situations with this person, and this is why you're sometimes still not so sure if you should give this another try. And this is not confirmation that you should. This should always be, you should always use your own discernment. Of course, I can only see the cards and I cannot know what kind of person you're involved with. So please see that with this Devil card, this fish has this light of attraction where they just lure in the other fish and then they will just eat them. This Devil doesn't have to be that the other person is a bad person. Maybe there were circumstances that were really hard for both of you and the connection couldn't take place in a healthy way. And with the Five of Air, it looks to me that a lot was not working out with this person in the past. And there were things hidden, things you two don't know about. This is what I feel. If someone deliberately hid a lot from you to appear differently so you would be together with them, this is not your reading. The cards, I know they can look like this too, but for me it's not what I feel here. For me, this is someone who's growing themselves, who really wants to mature and level up with you and for you both, and of course also for themselves. For them, you are maybe the most important person there is on the world, and they also have to clear out their own darkness and their own things. The Devil can talk about addictions a lot. But what I don't feel so much addictions here. I feel more that they were bound in some time, maybe to someone, to people. They themselves had toxic backgrounds, and people who were kind of influencing them. And you know, sometimes people take these patterns of behavior over. They if they had, for example, toxic parents or toxic partners, they too behave in a way that is toxic, even though they don't realize it is. And this is not it's still not okay to do that, but this is something you can learn, you can realize. And if they really do it, and if they really change, if they really can change, then a new beginning is possible. I know this is a sensitive thing, and with the moon here, maybe still not everything about this connection is visible for you. But the star really blesses this connection here. So if you really got someone toxic, someone manipulative, please, again, this is not your message. This is about someone really truly trying their best and not behaving toxic to you in any way anymore, and really doing their best. The star really blesses this connection, and the star really shows going together with this individual is a big part of your soul. So let's see what comes out next. Ooh, too many cards. I had to stop and start the reading again because I was interrupted here. But we won't. Oh, there is a card. 7 of Water. It came out reverse, actually. I will take that reverse. Yeah. Because it clearly speaks to me that what was hidden from you, you now see. And with the 10 of Air, this old phase is over. There is no more hiding. What is this? And no more leaving. Yeah. You left behind the old cycle. And with the 4 of Air is that you really heal from all the wounds. And that this relationship is helping you heal from the wounds that came from the past. And here with the Death card, this is a big, deep transformation, renewal. Page of Earth and 10 of Earth. So beautiful. Yeah. This is not just some random connection. A connection that can survive a death. Maybe many deaths I'm hearing. Like people coming together, having a deep connection, but parting at some point again because they feel they both have things to work on and old connections to clear out, doing shadow work, healing their inner child. Whatever it is you had to do, then coming together again, being together, working together. I'm just saying what comes to mind. It's just examples. Just take what resonates and leave the rest. And then maybe parting again because they see, okay, there's still some things that I have to figure out on my own. And yeah, this can happen several times, just in the strongest relationships. And in the relationships that are really meant for a soul path together. And with this 10 of earth, this also shows that this connection brings so much abundance, so much stability. It's not only potential, it's also really manifest in the 3D. And this is what is happening now, because you see in this death card, there's already so much growing out of the skull. Like, you're already growing so much. And still you got this really super cute baby turtle here, just coming out of the egg. Like, for me, this is the picture of your relationship right now. Being playful, being just excited, and like a new incarnation on this earth, exploring together. Wow. And the King of Earth shows that this will mature. This will fully mature. You still have a way to go with this person, but you will eventually get there. And you will have and live all of this with this person. This is really giving me a lot of chills, and there's coming out a lot of cards. I'm not going to take them all, but maybe first one's showing. Yeah. Nine of Air is showing that there are still wounds. You can come into this mentality where you feel that you still have to protect yourself a lot. So this is something that can sometimes be a little bit like sabotaging your ability to be really open in this relationship, or in general in relationships and to the world. But regarding this relationship, of course, there's a reason for that. And it's okay. This message here is for you to see, yes, I can come into this feeling. I was hurt so much, and I don't know, can I open up again to this person completely, or is it really safe, or will we like being drawn into old cycles and live this again? These cards here are saying no, you will not. You will be like the complete divine union with your perfect counterpart, and you are on the way there. You are on the way there. It's not perfect in the next second, but you are on the way there. It is growing, and this is what it's growing into. And if you feel these wounds, just allow yourself to feel them. Just be there for yourself. Don't think this has anything to do with your partner. Just tend to yourself. Queen of Fire. She's like really the queen of inspiration. And this shows that in this connection you can live your full creativity, and it shows also that, yeah, it's bringing you into your full power, and it's telling you, trust your intuition and trust that you will be able to bring all of your power that you brought here now into the world. You will fulfill your soul mission together with this person, but not because of this person. It's just something you do together somehow. It feels like you're both supporting each other maybe you're supporting this individual more for growing into his full self, and you're maybe already there much more, but this individual is also helping you just living, fulfilling your soul mission, your next level, this what you really came for. So you're just the most beautiful union there can be, like, because you're both helping each other grow, and there's deep, deep love here. Like with all these beautiful cards. Yeah, the Page of Air sometimes can be a little bit the overthinker. Just don't go too much there. And with the Ten of Water here, you see this will bring complete emotional fulfillment, happiness, and abundance. Even though you cannot see all the future all the time, so please don't overthink. Yeah. With the Chariot, this is clear that things will move forward in the right time. Don't stay in this mentality where you think you're stuck. You're not. Things are moving, even if it doesn't seem like this all the time. And the Sun is also a big blessing for your relationship. The Sun shows that you are both going into your full potential. It's not just having one aspect of yourself freed. It's completely renewal, completely new. This relationship will shine like a sun in your life and into the world. It's something that you're really realizing with this person together. It seems like there's a soul mission that you feel where this partner is a part of somehow also. And with this Hierophant, this is emphasizing a teacher and leader position spiritually, that you or both of you are fulfilling here. Yeah, Knight of Fire shows that there's so much passion between you two, so much passion, and I bet that your soul mission has to do with this too. It will not be something boring, I'd say. Wow, this is just over the top amazing. Okay, Nine of Earth. Yeah, final message, just enjoy. Just enjoy your complete happiness, what you've already got, what you found. It is right. Everything about it is right. And you are also allowed to grow, not just your counterpart. You are allowed to grow together and, yeah, and just enjoy the moment together. This is so beautiful. I leave this here and I wish you so much luck with all of this. Congratulating you if this resonates. Wow, I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's see what comes up next time.